Hello, my name is Eric Martin. I'm a service advisor here at Windsor Mazda, and we're here today to go over a few fall care tips with you. Autumn is just around the corner. Each season has its own focuses and car care needs. So what are some things that you need to focus on as the weather cools? What we at Windsor Mazda suggest is to first check your vehicle's windshield wiper blades. It's strongly recommended to check them when the seasons change. Key things to focus on are flexibility and inspect the rubber elements to ensure there are no cuts, tears. This ensures proper sweeping operation and reducing the risk of damaging the glass. Second is the inspection of the heater and defroster. Make certain that both are working. It is better to have it prepared and ready to go before you need than to realize on the first cold morning that you can't defrost your windows or heat your vehicle's cabin. Third, check the oil. If it looks dirty or low, change it. Oil needs to be changed regularly to maintain your vehicle's performance. While you're at it, check the air filter. Like oil changes, air filters help your vehicle run smoothly. You can check your own air filter, but it's always useful to take it to a mechanic as well, in case something has happened. The other fluids that need to be checked and tested also include the brake fluid, coolant, and transmission fluid. Next, check your brakes and tires while keeping your tires properly inflated and brakes in safe and good working condition. It is especially important to make certain that your tires and brakes can handle the rain and wet roads. Also, check the lights, all of them. Headlights, tail lights, interior lights, running lights, even the lights on your emergency notices. The important thing for autumn is getting ready for winter weather. So making certain everything works, the weather is nicer, makes it less of a trouble when the weather turns snowy and cold. To sum it up, stay in tune with your vehicle. Keeping things checked on a routine basis helps keep your vehicle functioning properly and safely. If you have any questions or require assistance, please feel free to reach out to us via telephone at 519-735-2211 or visit us at 1155 Provincial Road. Thank you.